If you're a complete beginner and you're probably wondering how to trade Forex, how I can help you trade Forex. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to share exactly how a beginner has made this month, this is June, over $6,000 so far. And overall, since last month, almost $43,000. How you can do it, let's go step by step. I'm giving you like all the pros, cons, the tools, the free, the paid, everything in this video. Okay, so we're gonna review the results of the BLW Signals Group, but I'm also going to share with you some tips and some free tools so you can actually get the hang of it. If you want to trade on your own, it's okay, but use these free tools in order to help you make money. So let's go ahead and begin. Hi everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, we're gonna review the results of the BLW Signals Group, but also I'm gonna share some free tools as to how you could be making over 6 grand this month so far. It's June the 5th. So in 5 days, you probably could have made around $6,000. So if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex, crypto, any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button below. Let's begin. So the first thing that I want to recommend you is that if you don't have enough capital to trade, or if you have a small capital to trade and you want to get some big numbers instead, go with a prop firm so that you can actually leverage that small amount of money that you have. The best prop firm in the world is absolutely Prime. Prime is the company that I've been using for over 2 years now. And it's the best company in the world, not just because I'm saying it, because it has awards for fastest payout, for no payout denials, for the fastest payout time in the world, and is available worldwide. Plus is the cheapest one, so absolutely a gig. I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video, so you can check it out. You can use the promo code BLW25 and you got a 25% off. But pretty much, what you can do if you have a small balance or a small amount of money, is to actually get a 2-step Prime account for as low as $9 for $2,000, right? It's crazy. Obviously, with this account, you're probably not gonna get some big results, but at least let's say that you want to get a $25,000 account. It's around $100 or so, depending on the time that you're watching this video and the discount that you have. If you don't have a discount over 25%, you can use the promo code BLW25, but they usually have pretty good results. $50,000 for around $250. And the most popular one, the one that I recommend you the most, is $100,000, because that way you can actually measure your profits pretty good. I mean, 5% is $5,000, 10% is $10,000, and so on, right? And so you can withdraw up to 95% of your profits on this specific account once you actually pass the challenge, which is not really that hard. I mean, we're talking about 8% the first month and 5% the second challenge, and you withdraw up to 95% a month. I'm going to have, like I said, the link in the description of this video. That way you can leverage your account. You can also trade with your real money if that's what you want to. But let's go ahead and get into business right now. What's the BLW Signals Group? Because that's the group that I'm going to be talking about, is this website right here. You can check it out, blwsignalsgroup.com. I also have the link in the description of this video. But in general, is this Telegram channel where we actually get to trade live. Myself and Harry, we both have webinars where we actually show our charts pretty much, for you guys to see where to enter. Today, we actually had a Zoom call. These are the setups for NASDAQ and for US 30. And you get to see, this is something that I'm going to talk about in just a little bit. Here's the webinar where I actually shared how we did. We today had a 5-to-1 on US 30 and a 5-to-1 on NASDAQ. It was a massive day. This is the NASDAQ trade, the sell, and this is the US 30 sell as well. We actually did this live. We reached the 5-to-1 on this one, and the other one set up as pending order. 10-to-1 just today. Freaking crazy numbers. Now, this is the BLW Signals Group. Like I said, you get more information in the blwsignalsgroup.com website. I'm going to have the link in the description of this video. You can find way more information. We trade 5 days a week. In my case, I actually have my trading sessions every single morning at 9:20 Eastern Standard Time, which is the time a new market opens. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and take a look at our updated results. This is what we have. Let me just refresh this. There you go. So far, this month, June, we have 17 signals and we are at $6,000 in profits. Just today, we made 4,500. It was an amazing day. For those of you who don't know, I was in New York and Boston last week. This week. And so I wasn't really having these webinars. So I traded very little. I think I had 2 tradable days. Yeah, on Tuesday and today, because Monday I didn't trade, markets were no good. Wednesday I didn't trade, markets were no good. Thursday I did trade, but the markets were meh, so I actually ended up breaking even. And today, as simple as that. We don't like get all crazy trading all the time. And so far, overall, we are at $42,885. Like this is counting last month. This is last month, but this month, this is what we have. This is the signals that we have so far. You get to see the dates and so on, and these are the numbers and the numbers per signal provider, which is something that you can check if you want to. But so far, this is what we have. We have a 34% win rate. You might get, oh my God, what is that? But the truth is that we have a profit factor of 2.17. 2.17, which means that every trade that we take as an average, we reach a 2-to-1 on risk reward. Okay, so that's what makes it so profitable. All right, but yeah, these are the results that we have so far today. Now, if you're wondering exactly, Chris, how can we trade with this specific group? We got several options. Myself, I only send like the screenshots and so on, but we also have, for instance, take a look at this 5-to-1 that we got today on June 2nd. Take a look at the profits, people making, and so on. But then we have Harry, who also sends a signal, and he also shares his screen on a webinar. But then we have this option as well that Luis has around 7 p.m. What's like 9 p.m. Eastern time. If by any chance you were working throughout the entire day and that's the only time that you have to trade, then we do have signals right there. And this way, we actually have an entry price, a stop loss, and take profit. All you got to do is get those numbers, put it into your broker, set as a pending order, and that's it. Forget about it. Okay? And then he will also update you about it. Then we have also S&P 500 trades. Lester has New York market opens with several take profits that you get to choose exactly which one to close it with, and so on. Then we have Harry as well, myself, Luis again, myself again, Lester again, myself, Lester, Harry again, and then we have myself, and later on we're gonna have Luis. So this is the way we trade. We got several options. Option number 1 is to trade live with me, and pretty much I tell you when to enter, when to exit, like live. 2, you can get to trade with Harry. He's gonna send a limit order that you can set as pending order and also see his screen live. You can also trade with Lester Signals, which is at S&P 500. And instead of watching the screen, all you gotta do is take the data and enter it into your broker as well with Luis. Luis will actually send you the data so you can just enter it. All options are good, okay? So this is exactly how you trade. Now, this is my advice if you're a complete beginner. Number 1, I do have a profit calculator that is 100% free for you to get it, okay? How is it that you're supposed to get it? It's actually quite simple. You go into the link in the description of this video and you get access to it. No payment or anything whatsoever. And you get to analyze exactly how long will it take you for you to reach a certain target. Okay? So let's say, for instance, that you want to make $10,000. You set the $10,000 target. How much are your balance? Let's say your balance is, I don't know, $500. It's a small balance. You have a big target. We all do. Risk per trade. How much are you willing to risk per trade? let's say that you're gonna go like, if it's a real account, let's say 5%. If it's a funded account, we're gonna talk about it in just a little bit. What's the risk reward that you're willing to actually get? And this is super important because a lot of people would be more comfortable with 1-on-1s. A lot more people would be more comfortable with 2-to-1s. Obviously, a 1-on-1 is something that you can get daily. 2-to-1, probably not every single day. 3-to-1 is harder. 10-to-1 is nearly impossible, right? So my advice is stick to 2-to-1. It's super simple. It's easier. So if you actually go and compound like the balance, meaning that you're going to increase that trading amount because your balance keeps on increasing. So you're going to continue risking the 5%. It's going to take you around 24 days, right? We're risking 5%. It's a lot. And this is going to give you a calculation randomly, giving you losing trades because it's not all rainbows and butterflies, right? You're going to have losing days. But even having losing days is going to take you around 24 days for you to reach your target, trading days. Let's say that your target is $10,000, but you have a $100,000 account, funded account, which means that you're going to risk 0.5%. You're not going to risk more than that. Let's go with a 2-to-1. Then it's going to take you around 7 days for you to actually reach your target because your target is 10%. And so you're going to be going for 2-to-1s. That means that you're going to be risking what? Let me just go ahead and get this. Yeah, it's by default. So day number 1, you're going to place 2 positions. This is actually set for 2 positions, by the way. If you're going to place only 1, you can just double the amount of days. Let's say 14 days. Day number 1, day number 2. This day number 4 is where you lose trades because it happens. So you can use this specific calculator in order to like pretty much understand how long will it take you for you to reach your target. Okay, use it as a tool in order to create your own trading plan, in order to analyze like, oh my God, yes, this is exactly what I need to do. I need to place 2 trades a day, only target 2-to-1, and that's it. You're going to realize that it's way easier than just trading blindly and seeing like, oh my God, I still have to make $9,000. What do I do? So this tool is going to help you create that trading plan. Play around with it. It's not going to play trades for you, so just play around with it. Don't put any false expectations on it, like risking 10% and going for like, I don't know, 10-to-1, because obviously the tool is going to do it. If you want to make $1 million and you have $1,000 in your account, yes, you can risk 10% per trade and you go 10-to-1 on risk reward. Is that doable? Yeah, in 14 days, you're going to become a millionaire. That's not realistic. Okay, because realistic is that you are going to make a 2-to-1 on risk reward. You're going to risk 2% of your balance, right? And it's going to take you way more than that, compounding, and obviously taking in consideration that this is an algorithm. It's not real world. So you might have 2 losing days that will actually mess up with all the amount of days, but it gives you an idea. Okay, that's the most important thing. So keep that in mind. Now, before I finish with this video, I just want to give you a big invitation because I opened more positions for this. And this is totally optional, but I do have a BLW Forex copy trader. The BLW Forex copy trader basically is to copy me. Okay, I don't have unlimited positions because I don't want to deal with the hundreds and hundreds of people. It's just not cool. I just want to deal with serious people. But pretty much I still have some open positions at the time recording this video. Take a look at the website, and if the website is open, it means that there are positions. If not, I just close all the positions. But pretty much I will place the trades and they will be copied into your account. Just my trades, not the other admin's trades, just mine. Okay, and so all you got to do is pretty much go to BLW forexcopytrader.com, read all the information that you want, and the price is only $99.99 a month. Okay, you can get 6 months or 1 year. It's really up to you. But I just wanted to give you an invitation. If by any chance you still want to trade or don't want to trade, you just want to copy my trades, if the website is open, I still have spots available. So go ahead and check the website, BLWforexcopytrader.com. Have the link in the description. If it's not blocked, there are still positions, so take advantage of it. Hopefully this video helps you out, gives you some information that is important. You can use the free tools and so on. And if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always put them in the comment section. Leave a like in case you haven't, and if you enjoyed this video, and be subscribed for more. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.